Be ready. 10 seconds to go. Start. On 7th May 2025, the Indian Army carried out Operation Sindoor. This operation was a reply to the deadly terror attack that happened on 22nd April 2025 in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. In that attack, 26 innocent people lost their lives. The attack was done by terrorist groups like Jaish e Mohammed and Lashkar e Taiba. These groups aimed to disturb peace and hurt the tourism industry in Kashmir. The Indian government and army decided to take strong action in response. The name Sindoor was chosen for the operation to honor the women who lost their husbands in the attack. It showed the country's deep pain and firm decision to act against terrorism. India wanted to destroy the terrorist camps in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir, but without starting a full war. The Indian Air Force carried out the attack at midnight on 7th May. They targeted 9 terrorist camps across the border. These places were being used to plan and carry out attacks against India. The air strikes were well planned and used modern weapons. According to reports, more than 100 terrorists were killed, including some important leaders of these terror groups. The Indian Army made sure there was little or no damage to normal people or places. One big highlight of this operation was the use of Indian technology. The army used the D4 anti drone system, which was made by Bharat Electronics Limited. It helped stop enemy drones from entering Indian airspace. The other defense system also helped the army by giving real time information and support during the mission. These systems show that India is ready with modern tools to protect itself. After the strikes, Pakistan claimed that Indian aircraft were shot down and that civilians had died. But India clearly said that only terrorist camps were hit and no harm was done to civilians. In response, Pakistan closed its airspace to Indian planes and also stopped trade between the two countries. This increased tension between the two nations. In India, people supported Operation Sindoor. Citizens felt proud of the army. Many leaders praised the action. However, some political issues also came up. A member of the Congress party said that the operation was a drama and blamed the government. This created anger, and other parties demanded action against him. The S 400 missile defense system played an important role during Operation Sindoor. This system gave India a powerful shield in the sky. It helped protect Indian airspace from any possible enemy aircraft or missile attacks during the operation. The S 400 system is one of the most advanced air defense system in the world, and its use in Operation Sindoor showed how serious and prepared India was during the mission. The S 400 system was developed by Russia and is also used by countries like China and Turkey. India signed a deal with Russia to buy 5 units of the S 400 system in 2018. By 2024, India had deployed these systems at important locations to protect its borders. During Operation Sindoor, the Indian Army and Air Force used the S 400 system to guard against any sudden counter attacks from across the border. The system can detect and shoot down enemy aircraft, drones, and missiles from a distance of up to 400 kilometers. It can track 80 targets at the same time and hit multiple targets with great accuracy. It uses different types of missiles depending on the range and type of threat. This made it a perfect choice to protect Indian skies while the Air Force was busy carrying out strikes in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir. During Operation Sindoor, the system was put on high alert mode. It was placed in forward locations to monitor the air movements near the border. There were chances that Pakistan might launch fighter jets or drones to either attack India or try to stop Indian planes. But with the S 400 in place, Indian forces felt confident and safe. Any attempt by the enemy to enter Indian airspace would have been stopped immediately, though no direct air battle happened during Operation Sindoor. The presence of the S 400 made sure that Pakistan did not try to respond with its air force. Defense experts believe that the powerful coverage of the S 400 was one of the reasons why the enemy remained quiet in the sky. The system acted as a strong deterrent, meaning it stopped the enemy from attacking just by being there. The S 400 was also connected with other defense systems like the Akash Tir Air Defense Network and the D4 anti drone system. Together, they created a full and smart defense circle for India. This network gave real time updates to army officers and helped them make fast decisions. The coordination between the Indian Army, Air Force, and these advanced systems showed that India is now ready for modern warfare. Stop.